You have probably heard of YouTube automation. You may have seen some people on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook telling that they are making tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month with YouTube automation. And now you are wondering, is YouTube automation real? Should you trust those people? Let me tell you the truth. First, yes, you can make money with YouTube automation. I am personally making a lot of money on YouTube in an automated way, as I will show you in a moment. And second, there are a lot of people in YouTube automation industry that I would personally never trust because they have been caught of lying previously many times. I don't want to target anyone personally. I guess everybody is a great guy in real life. But for example, Dave Nick, he has been caught of lying many times in the past. He has published YouTube videos where he has told a lot of lies, so I would never trust him. In fact, a couple of years ago I bought one of his courses and it was the worst YouTube course that I have ever bought. And that is pretty much because I have bought many YouTube courses. Then there is of course another guy called Ryan Hildreth. He has promised that people will make $50 every 30 or 20 minutes typing CAPTCHA and all kinds of lies. Nowadays he's selling these YouTube automation courses. So these two persons are just two examples that I would never trust in this YouTube automation industry, but there are probably many other ones as well. Anybody who has been caught of lying multiple times is not trustworthy, in my opinion, of course. That being said, you can make money on YouTube in an automated way. Here are just a couple of payment tools: $707, $460, $1,100, $1,030, so on and so forth. But how do we define YouTube automation? What does it mean? What is YouTube automation? If I were to define in one sentence what all those YouTube automation gurus are selling you, I would define it that you hire people to create videos for your YouTube channel. That's it. I know that it doesn't sound so fancy as many of those fake gurus like to tell you, but that's the reality. Or we can also define YouTube automation is that any YouTube channel that you build successfully is a YouTube automation. Because once you publish videos on YouTube, they keep on making money for you automatically, even while you are sleeping, laying down on the beach or spending time with your loved ones. Even some videos that I published back in 2017 or 2018 are still making me some money. And every single video that you publish can keep on making money. I just want to show you this couple of examples. Here $707 with this video, $568, and as you can see, it's all the time getting more and more money. Every single day I earn a little bit of money, so it's like a small money making machine. And here is another one. You can see all the time more and more money every single day. You can see it's going higher and higher. And here is another example, all the time more and more. So this is how YouTube game works. When you publish videos, they generate money. And this YouTube AdSense is, in my personal YouTube business, just a small amount of income. Nowadays it's probably like 10% of the income, and 90% come from other sources such as affiliate marketing. Just to give you an idea from a couple of programs, this program made me $8,800 in the last 30 days. This program made me around $4,000 in the last 7 days, $3,872 to be exact. And you can see here that, for example, a couple of days ago I earned $1,028. Yesterday I earned around $500. Today I have earned $274. So this is basically how YouTube automation works. You publish videos and they will keep on making money for you automatically. Let me explain to you the money making process from A to Z. What are the tasks, what are the actions that you need to do, and then I will compare these two different strategies: doing things for yourself or hiring people to do things for you, so more automated way. The first step for making money with YouTube is to choose a topic for your YouTube channel. Some people also call it a niche, but I think picking a topic sounds more simple. So pick a topic that you are going to talk about on your channel. And I have 3 tips if you want to make money. First, pick a topic that people spend money on. Let me give you an example. If you are picking a topic between budget watches or cheap watches versus luxury watches, you should choose luxury watches. Or cheap cars versus luxury cars, choose luxury cars, right? So choose topics where people spend money on. That's the first tip. Second tip, choose a topic that you personally enjoy working on. Something that is interesting for you, that you can see yourself working on that industry, on that topic for perhaps months and years to come. Because oftentimes making a lot of money, making life-changing income, it requires have some time, right? And third, choose a topic that you genuinely think makes the world a better place. Just to give you an example from my own main channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online. On this channel, I give a lot of tips for making money online, and I also promote Bitcoin that I truly think makes the world a better place for every single person on our planet. So I feel very happy promoting these things because I think it improves the lives of every human being. And that's what I also recommend for you. Pick something that people are spending money on, pick something that you enjoy working on, and pick something that makes the world a better place in your opinion. That's a good start for your topic. And if you're asking, do you need to be an expert on a topic that you start? And the answer is no, you don't need to be an expert, but you need to be interested in that topic, because if you are not interested in it at all, then it doesn't really make sense, right? But if you are already an expert, of course, that makes the process a little bit easier for you. After you have chosen your topic, the next step is to publish videos. And it's really simple. You can do it on your phone or you can do it on your computer. I will go in a moment more in detail this process of publishing videos, what is included and so on and so forth, but you will simply do it here on YouTube. If you are on the computer, you come right here, you click here create, and you upload videos. And now there are a couple of different strategies how you can do this. The strategy that I personally like to use is that I get ranked on YouTube search. So when people search for certain things, my video comes up. So I search for relevant keywords, as you have learned in my previous videos. And even with this YouTube keyword strategy, there are two different types of paths that you can take. Another strategy is what gives you a lot of views. Let me give you an example here. I have created a video how to make $50 a day. 5 simple ways to make $50 a day. I got more than 10,000 views with one video, but then I create more targeted ones as well. Let me show you, for example, Bybit Earn tutorial. It hasn't generated so many views, 3,600 views or 2,200, but this is more relevant, perhaps it makes more money. Or let's take another example. Is Bybit safe? That I also targeted 1,400, very targeted keyword. So as you understand, there are a little bit different strategies that you can use. One strategy is also get into suggested videos. So whether you are scrolling YouTube on your phone or on your computer, YouTube often shows suggested videos here on the right side that people can click on. I would say that strategy is a little bit harder, but it has a higher potential. Personally, so far I just focus on this search strategy because it's quite easy and really straightforward and simple. You don't need a lot of skill to make a life-changing income with that, in my personal opinion, of course. Alright, once you have chosen your topic, you have published videos, the third step is that you will keep on getting paid automatically, as I just showed you here. This is 100% automated income right now. Once you publish that video, you can see that your income just grows and grows and grows. Every single day you will get money coming in, as you can see right here, and also from other sources. Even if I wouldn't lift my finger, all of these sources would keep on making me money. And these are just, of course, a few sources, but there are also many dozens of different income sources that keep on making money. And the same can happen for you as well if you are willing to be consistent. Each video can make you money from multiple sources. One is YouTube ads. Second one is affiliate marketing. It means that you leave links in the description below your video. You can also have channel memberships. As you can see right here, I have a channel membership. You can earn money when people join your channel and they become members. For example, on our channel, you can see that we have many channel members who have decided to become part of our channel and support the journey. Then you can also get paid for sponsorship or shoutouts. So you mention some product in your video and companies give you money for that, and etc. There are many different ways how you can make money, but those are the most common ones and the most profitable ways to make money. And of course, if you are more advanced, you can also make money selling your own products. But I would say that easiest way for beginners is to get started by copy pasting links in the description, making money with that, and of course the YouTube advertisement. But YouTube advertisement, it doesn't pay so much as affiliate marketing, copy pasting links. So I would say that for beginners, copy pasting links is the best strategy. Let's go through the list of tasks that you need to do to make money, whether you want to use YouTube automation or do it yourself. And then we evaluate the pros and cons of both strategies, doing it yourself or automating, and then you can decide the best one for you. The first task that you need to do is to do the keyword research. Once you have done that, you need to write an outline or script for your video, and you can do it, for example, for free on Google docs. And the keyword research you can do also for free on YouTube. Third step is to create videos. You can do it for free on your phone, on your computer, for example, recording your screen using Screencast-O-Matic. Fourth step is to optimize and publish your videos to YouTube. You can simply click here, create and upload videos. Fifth step is to analyze your results and compare which one of your videos is generating you the most amount of money, or whatever is the metric that you want to reach. For example, comparing these two videos, this one has made more money so far, but this one is also growing and growing, so perhaps this will make more money in the long run. And then you simply improve based on your analysis. And you can do all of these things yourself. You can go to youtube.com, you can start doing the keyword research, you can write your outline on Google Docs, and you can do all of these things for 100% free. Or alternatively, if you want to do what YouTube automation gurus recommend you to do, you can hire a lot of people to do these steps for you. So other people will research the keywords, other people will record the videos or collect them, and other people will upload and optimize them. And as you probably understand, both of these strategies have pros and cons. Let's start first from the benefits of doing it yourself. There are three main benefits. First of all, you can do it even for 100% free or with a low budget. So anybody who doesn't have much money can start earning money on YouTube. And that's of course good for a lot of people. Second, you can learn a lot of skills, because if you hire other people to do things for you, then you don't learn perhaps how to do the keyword research. Perhaps you don't learn how to record videos. But if you are doing this yourself, you learn it. And third, your risks are usually much lower, because you don't have any risk of losing your own money if you are doing it for free or with a low budget. That being said, there are also drawbacks of doing it yourself. First of all, there are only 24 hours in a day. We don't have unlimited time available. Most of us live maybe 80 years or 90 years and then we die. So if you hire people, perhaps you will get more done during your lifetime. Second thing is that if you are doing everything by yourself, you cannot scale after a certain point, because things perhaps start growing and growing and growing, but they don't grow so fast if you do everything yourself. But if you decide to hire people, things can start skyrocketing faster. Of course, that's not a guarantee either. You can also end up losing a lot of money if you are hiring many people. Alright, what are the benefits of YouTube automation? The first thing is that you can scale your business further, because let's say that you do everything yourself. You have 24 hours a day. If you hire, let's say 10 people in total, now you have 24 times 10, you have 240 hours a day if you calculate all those people in total. And which one is going to get more done? 24 hours or 224 hours? Of course, if you have more hours available when you hire those people, then of course you can get more done. And of course then you free up your own time, so perhaps you can sleep more or go to lay down on the beach or do whatever you want when you are hiring people to do all the heavy lifting for you. The drawback of this YouTube automation strategy is that it requires money, and perhaps thousands of dollars, and I know that many beginners don't have money to invest in the workforce in the beginning. Second thing is that it requires some leadership skills, so you need to know how to lead people, how to give instructions and all of these things. And third, it takes time to train people, unless they know how to do things very well. But if they are already really professionals, then they are probably charging a lot of money from you. And then of course the fourth drawback is that many of those YouTube automation gurus or courses, their programs are ultra expensive, and some of them are even scams. So what do I recommend for most people? I would say that start by yourself, start making money on YouTube, and when you earn more and more, you can reinvest it, and then you can hire people to do things for you. For example, when you earn 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, so on and so forth, you can invest part of that back into your business. Let's say, for example, you earn your first $1,000. Perhaps you buy a better software, let's say. Or once you earn your first $10,000, you buy a better camera. Once you earn your first 100,000, perhaps you hire a couple of people to help you with the things. So then you grow little by little without taking massive risks immediately. And that's what I have also done. First, I started by myself, and then I have started hiring people to help me to grow further and further. And I have even created a program where I help people to do this step by step, from complete zero to making a life-changing income on YouTube. It's called Tube Journey to Freedom, where I help you to make a life-changing income online and achieve ultimate freedom. With ultimate freedom, I mean mean that you have time freedom, location freedom, financial freedom. So you have freedom to work whenever you want, take vacations whenever you want. You have enough money that you never need to worry about it. You can make money like this on YouTube if you want. You can live anywhere you want in the most beautiful places in the world, and you can spend time with the people that you love. So you have ultimate freedom in your life. That's my goal for you when you start going through my course, and I can help you to achieve it because I have achieved it myself. And the steps that I show you in my program, these work whether you do them yourself or you hire other people. It's the same steps that work for both things. And I give you a 100% money back guarantee and a 100% satisfaction guarantee to make sure that everybody who takes my course and program is 100% happy. In other words, you have nothing to lose and everything to win. And once you are inside right here, you will learn immediately to build a successful YouTube channel, create successful videos. You will learn many ways to monetize your channel. For example, 7 powerful ways to earn money on YouTube, 1-click strategy earn money on YouTube, starting to earn money from your first video, best way to earn $1,000 a year on YouTube, and much more. So you and me, my friend, we are immediately going to see inside my program, Tube Journey to Freedom.